Hello lovely, welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, then thank you so much for supporting me and for coming back. If you're new, then please subscribe to this channel. I'm doing the brightest swatches, reviews and also makeup tutorials. For daily photos of bright makeup, please follow me on Instagram. This video is dedicated to the Nyx Strictly Vinyl lip gloss and I have the shade Bad Seed. And I'm going to try it on with a black lip pencil. As you see guys, the color is very dark emerald green with a very glossy vanilla finish. As for the formula, it is a hydrating lip gloss. It is a little bit tacky, though not very much. And you have to keep in mind that it does budge a lot. So if you're going to wear it, my personal recommendation would be use a lip pencil because otherwise it will get into the lip lines really quick. Or you can also apply it over a product which is more dry, like a lip pencil or a liquid lipstick. Overall, I'm actually not sure how I feel about this one. I personally thought it would be brighter, instead it is really dark, which isn't a bad thing, just not 100% what I expected. So if you guys love glosses, if you love dark lips, I think you will love this one. If you love something that is long-lasting, that is smudge-proof, then I don't think you will enjoy this lip gloss. I hope the video was useful guys. Thank you so much for watching it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye loves.